Let's do a full face of Dolce & Gabbana Beauty. This is the most beautiful makeup lineup. Starting off with Skin Prep, this is the Everlast Primer. It's going to blur and minimize the appearance of our pores. Now going in with the Everlast Foundation. I'm using shade 13C. It's gonna give us a full coverage matte finish. Makes the skin look so flawless. This I'm so excited to try. This is the new Everlast Concealer. It's going to apply 2 little hearts underneath the eye. Anywhere else that I need a little bit of coverage. This is a high coverage matte concealer that lasts up to 24 hours. That is flawless. Now we are just going to set everything with the Fig Skin Perfector. Now we are warming up the face with the Face and Eyes Match Bronzer. Blissful Mauve Blush. This is one of my favorites. One of the most beautiful highlighters. I'm going to hit that on the cheeks and on the nose. For the eyes, we are tapping into the Ever Icon palette. Number 1 is just going in the crease. And shade number 3, just going to blend that on the lash line. I love the eyes matte right now, but I feel like I just have to add this beautiful shimmer. Shimmers in these palettes are next level. You can add a wing with the Ever Ink Liner. Adding the Ever Full Mascara. This look would not be complete without my favorite Dolce & Gabbana lip oil. You guys, here is the final look. I love this glam. It turned out amazing. Let me know what you guys think of the look and if you've tried any of these products out.